Hey everyone, I'm Brian with AC Products USA, and we're going to talk to you a little bit about the AC ProTech product. And in the process, I'm going to introduce you to my two main helpers, or my main protagonists, whatever you'd like to call them. We have two mini splits that we work with quite a bit. We have one that's a new unit that we simply disassembled, and we kind of show people and teach and train how to apply and what are the right and wrong ways to apply the ProTech coating to your mini split or HVAC system. And then we have a unit that's been around for a few years. So let me show you those two. So this is just a one ton mini split from Delta. This is our line. It's just a little inverter mini split. So it's got, it's got the PCB, it's got the GMCC compressor, it's got all the good parts on it. And what you can see on these units is, if you can actually hear it and see it, you can see we've applied a coating that it's just so smooth that it kind of helps prevent a lot of different things from gathering on the unit. We can coat the coils, we can coat the copper, the galvanized, we can coat the motors, we can coat the fan blades, the compressors, we can coat all that stuff on here. But what people don't usually see is the effects of after. So this guy right here is a 2-ton unit that we had brand new. We stripped one side to just, clean it up, and took a grinder to the powder coated finish on one side of the panel and took all the powder coated finish off this particular section of the unit just to expose the raw metal. And what we did is we coated the raw metal with our clear coat and left the other part exposed. We did the same thing here. You can see where we had a galvanized handle. This particular unit goes to a lot of trade shows with us. It does a little bit of traveling. So it does also get beat. It lives outside most of the time, except for when we bring it into the shop to show it or take it to shows. But you can see where we have taken the grinder on both sides of this unit, on this particular lid, and took the paint off of it, exposed it to the elements. We put salt water and vinegar to let that attack the unit. And you can see where the coating, the clear coat, is actually protecting that metal. One of the things that you will always notice with our coatings is that it does protect from galvanic corrosion. And as you can see, where you have dissimilar metals such as copper, galvanized, and aluminum, like on this coil section, you will see that you just have a lot of damage. All this damage is moisture, it's salt water, and it's vinegar. We did seriously accelerate the deterioration process on this. But you can see the section that is coated with our product, where you have perfectly shiny copper, you have coils that are nice and smooth, no problems there. You have a PC board that was not coated, and you can kind of see the damage happening to the diodes and everything on here. And then you have a PC board that we did coat with absolutely zero damage. Same goes for the coil section. You can clearly tell that we have a side that has not been coated and a side that has been coated. You can see this is actually where we started seeing the damage was in this lower corner. You are accustomed to seeing this white powdery stuff happening on the coils, whereas on the other side we absolutely have zero damage on the coils because we coated the unit with AC ProTech. And that's it. We have more videos, we have step-by-step how-to, and thanks for stopping to see us.